All right, so let's talk about sharing your mycliq page URL with others. There is two ways to do this. The very first way is to come to your dashboard here, and you can either click the copy mycliq.co URL, which will just be mycliq.co/your username. You can find your username in the settings here. And if you copy this and you paste this in your browser, it will automatically redirect the user to your active page. And you can see that the active page is set here. Conversely, you can just click copy URL here. Now, if you're in person and you want to share your mycliq page, let's imagine that you're on your phone. All you have to do is click this little share icon here. And this will bring up two options. You can either just copy your mycliq co page. This will be the same URL that we just copied before, or you can click Open Digital Business Card. And what this does is it just opens up your business card with a QR. So you can click either this button here or Open QR. And this will be a QR code that is generated for your specific mycliq page. You can show a user this in person. They just go to the camera on Android or on iOS, and they just scan this QR code, and it'll bring them to your mycliq page. Those are the two ways to share your mycliq page, whether it's just a link online or if you're doing some in-person networking.